right now it's leaning towards a I need. Hello beautiful people, it's Yvette Corinne and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be telling y'all about this handbag that I had to return, and I'm going to show you guys my new handbag, which I'm obsessed with. So, before I get into it though, I want to talk about like how social media is kind of like effing with us. Like, it's influencing us, which is great. You know, I'm all here for the influence, but like, in this case, no, it was a no for me. Okay, so quick little story time. If y'all watched my last Fendi Double unboxing, which should be here in the cards, I was very excited. I unboxed this really gorgeous, beautiful Fendi handbag. I knew I needed it. I just knew I needed it. I really don't need it, but it's so cute. Just shut up. It's beautiful. It's stunning. The prettiest bag I've ever seen. I felt like I needed it. And not just because I think it's beautiful, but because I saw some other influencer girls that I follow with a bag similar. So I was like, I need this bag. It's like that bag. It will like make me feel really good. All of that. 14 days went by and I did not grab that bag to wear it. And for me, if I am not like gravitating towards something instantly, or I'm finding ways to wear it instantly, then I'm not going to wear the bag. Again, a $3,000 handbag is not something that I want to just be sitting there watching me. So I was like, you know what, this ain't it. And I felt like I was truly just influenced by like stuff that I've been seeing online. It was starting to get to me and made me feel like I needed it. But I'm a person about practicality, and that bag was stunning and beautiful, but practically it just wasn't matching or wasn't going in my wardrobe. I don't know who I thought I was or who I was trying to be, but that wasn't it. So I had to scale it back, and I ended up exchanging it for a bag that I saw this style in the light pink color when I was in Hawaii. And after I just like tried on the style and thought it was really cute and put it up to me, I was like, this is a really nice style. I think I'm into it. They came out with that same style, but in a hot pink, and the pink, I just instantly knew I needed. It's so beautiful. My friend Shay actually got the same pink in another purse, and after she like tried it on, had it on, did everything, I was like, I need a bag in this pink. So my goal was to get a bag in this pink. I didn't know it was going to be this style, but I'm very happy it is. So let me just show y'all the bag and why I'm so obsessed. Again, I was obsessed with the other one, but she just wasn't getting worn. Whereas this one, I'm like, she's cute. I'm about to put it on right now. It is the Fendi Peekaboo in the small, not the mini. They do have a mini one, which is a little bit smaller than this. Super cute. I'm going to insert a photo because I think I want the white one. And it's a little bit smaller, but it's cute. And this size is just like the perfect size for me because it's actually kind of big. It's bigger than you think. It has a top handle. Y'all know I love me a good top handle. Front compartment, back compartment, has a zipper, has a card holder spot, comes with a strap so I can do crossbody, which is another thing I realized with the other Fendi baguette, the little one, it doesn't do crossbody. And I realized that that's something that I like to have the option to do with a handbag, unless it's like solely a tote. But when it's just maybe a shoulder bag or a top handle, I like it coming with an extra strap so I can do a crossbody style. So I realized that's something that I look for in a bag. So now I know for the future, and I will never buy a bag like that again. But yeah, now I know. So super cute. It also has another strap that I'm actually probably going to get. I'm leaning towards it, and it just set the bag off. It made it kind of look a little bit more casual when you want to wear casually this bag, because it can be dressy because of the top handle and the pretty gold hardware. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the hardware is so pretty. It's stunning. So it can be dressy, but it also can be casual. So looking forward to getting the strap. And I randomly saw some Dior Dad sandals. Again, inserts a photo. And they are the exact same pink as this. And I think I need them. I'm gonna see like how long I think about them and make that decision. But right now it's leaning towards a I need. But yeah. Very, very, very cute. Actually obsessed. This is like the best exchange ever, and I had to share with you guys because I initially wasn't going to do a full unboxing video, but I was like, you know what? I share all the bags that I get, so let me just go ahead and let them know about the update. Let them know I don't have the sequin anymore, and I do have this, and I'm so happy with this. Like, so much happier. The leather is just super soft. It is probably the softest feeling bag, y'all. I can't stop. I might wear it today. I think I'm gonna wear it today. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. I kind of was a little influenced. My thoughts were a little blinded, and I'm happy that I made this decision because I'm currently not in the business of having purses that I'm not wearing. So I am gonna go through. There are some purses that I got like in the beginning of last year or the end of last year, and I'm like, I'm not really wearing it anymore, and I'm kind of like evolving with my style and the stuff that I want to wear. So I'm probably going to sell some things, and then hopefully I will get the white bag that I was telling you guys about. And once I do all that, I will do a full handbag collection video, because somebody did ask and I realized I guess it's time for me to do one. So I will be doing that one really soon. Let me know in the comments below if you think this was a better decision. If you think this was a more practical decision, would you have exchanged it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. It definitely helps with the algorithm. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.